In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called Evaluating an Algebraic Expression, Whole Number Operations and Exponents. We're given the expression c squared minus a over c plus 2a, and we're asked to evaluate this expression when a equals 3 and c equals 5, and to simplify our answer as much as possible. And so to do so, I'll start with substitution, replacing all of our a's with 3 and all of our c's with 5. And from there, we can use the order of operations to simplify. So first, replacing that c with 5 gives us a 5 squared minus replacing the a with 3, 3. And then in the denominator, replacing the c with 5, plus 2 times a, which we know is now 3. A couple of notes on the way that I'm representing this substitution. I did substitute the 3 in parentheses to show the multiplication with the 2. And in the top where I have the 5 squared, I did not use parentheses, although if that 5 would have been negative, I would have used parentheses just to show that the entire number is being squared. But since it's positive, that wasn't needed. And from here, I can apply the order of operations, starting with parentheses and grouping symbols. While there's nothing I can do inside the parentheses in the bottom, I do want to recognize that in a fraction, the numerator has been grouped together and the denominator has been grouped together. So ultimately, we're going to have to simplify those as much as possible before actually evaluating the fraction. But within the numerator and the denominator, we will move on to exponents being next. And since I do have an exponent, that would be my first step to simplify. 5 squared is 25, and I can bring down the rest of this expression. And with no more exponents, I could move to multiplication and division. And I do have multiplication in the denominator, so I'll do that operation next, leaving the numerator the same. I now have a positive 2 times 3. That would give us a plus 6. And from here, in both the numerator and the denominator, I have just addition and subtraction. So subtracting in the numerator, 25 minus 3 is 22. In the denominator, 5 plus 6 is 11. And now that I've simplified the numerator as much as possible and the denominator as much as possible, I can do this division or simplify the fraction. Here, 22 divided by 11 simplifies to just 2. So we have simplified as much as possible.